Hello, judges. I am sure you all remember that there was a huge bedbug infestation last year worldwide, right? Well, the problem is not over yet. It could happen right now at your homes without you knowing it. The rescue has come. We are here to propose a super effective solution to it. Take a look at our video here. We are going to explore the possibility of using diatomyces F, aka DE, in killing these critters. We'll be using a grease spot test today to test the absorption of lipids by it, which can dehydrate the bugs, killing them. DE is a fine white powder which is porous and is not reactive. DE contains silica, which is highly absorbent to water and lipids. We are using moisturizing wax cream as the example for the lipid, resembling the lipids within the bedbugs, and the bottle is not important. After washing the plastic plates and marking the control as A, we are using the one we are testing as B. We can start right away. Applying the wax on the 4 plastic plates A and B. We can drop the DE solutions on the plates. Let them both dry first so the water could dissipate. Take a look at A first. You can clearly see the translucent spots formed on it. Looking at B, almost no translucent spots are formed, proving that the DE is successful in absorbing the lipids, leading to the death of the bedbugs. While there's a bright side to it, it is important to consider there are bad sides to it. Distribution is an important factor, and if some bugs do not receive the appropriate dosage, it wouldn't work. Well, what can be done to maximize their ability? Let's apply tech and physics to it. We propose that sensors could be used to detect the location of the bedbugs with the use of lasers that could apply heat to the bedbugs, increasing the probability of their death, as well as maintaining a perfect airflow to the environment, allowing the even distribution of DE and heat. Thanks for everyone involved in our research and findings. Special thanks to Matthew for helping us edit the video, and teachers like Ms. Lam and Mr. Chan for their unwavering support in our research. See you all soon.